Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share the last part of Kendra's card challenge number 5 that I started way back in February, and I said I would finish it in a few weeks. Well, almost a month later, I've got it done. Challenge 5 ended at the end of March. It's now Kendra's card challenge 6, but I still wanted to finish it. It's still so much fun. I will link the first video that I did for the first 6 cards in the description box below, and also to the blog post that'll have more details if you want to know more about it. If you're new to my channel or new to Kendra's card challenges, she puts out a printable every quarter. You usually use 6 sheets of pattern paper and you get 15 cards. She gives you cutting guides, very specific cutting guides, and then she gives you sketches, and then she gives you instructions, hints, and how to enter her challenge. Like I said, this one is already done. It ended at the end of March. I did not finish it in time. I started it and I shared the first 6 cards in February. So now I'm sharing cards 7 through 15. Everything is using the Pink and Main February 2022 Crafty Courtyard box, which I think was called Dragonfly Dreams. If it's still available, I will link that below as well. So on to my cards today. Again, this is for sketches 7 through 15. And again, everything was from that Crafty Courtyard box of the month. And I did add like cardstock from my stash. And I think that's all I really added this time. I think I used everything else from the box. So this used a stencil that was in the box, that Crafty Courtyard box. And I did use some glitter gel over it because I thought it needed just a little something. Thought that turned out really pretty. There's the inside. And that one's just said hello. This one says happy birthday. And I used the embossing folder to give that a little texture behind those dragonflies. The box did come with the dies, so I used the dies to cut out the dragonflies. And there's that one. Next up, wishing you well. I liked this one. I don't typically do like a diamond or rhombus. So that was kind of fun. And I put stickles on the wings so it'd be sparkly. Really pretty. This one's probably my favorite. I just love that dragonfly with those flowers. So pretty. And it says, I believe in you. Really nice. And this one, congratulations. And I didn't decorate that, and no dragonflies, but I thought it was just nice the way it was. This one, live each day to the fullest. I did stickles on the wings of that dragonfly as well, and I did use an embossing folder from my stash for that one. This one was fun too because I'm a very, I don't know how to describe it. Like, I follow the rules and I want everything to be straight and neat and tidy, so to have it kind of crooked was kind of fun. And I stamped that on the inside. And this one, live each day to the fullest again. Those little dragonflies, stamp them on the inside. And this one, I did an embossing folder from my stash for that. Spread your wings and fly in the direction of your wildest dreams. Very nice. And then this one was kind of fun. It looked like a stack of presents, so I put happy birthday at the top. And there's it. So there are the rest of my cards. I did complete the entire challenge 5, just a little bit later than I planned. I have plans to do challenge 6 and maybe some of the other ones, but we'll see how that goes, because who knows? I kind of go where the creativity takes me. But I encourage you to check out Kendra's channel and check out her channel, Challenge 6. Again, I will link everything in the description box below. And thanks for stopping by today. I hope you have a great day. And until my next video, go do something for yourself.